Hey, mina iza Soka Chauke aka YouTube channel Soka Chauke TV. Hi bamandla hi vuyelela ka n'wina hinkwenu n'wina mi nga subscriber aka YouTube channel Soka Chauke TV. Mi ta pfumelela na mina ku mavonelo man'wana lama n'wi mi nga ta ku na mona na lama mina ni nga ta ku na mona somewhere somehow there will be a difference. Menge fan. Ku hava qambi leyi Soka Chauke a yi zondaku, ku hava qambi leyi Soka Chauke a yi langutelaku hansi. Hinkwato tiqambi ni ti treat ku fana, ni commenta ku fana aka music wa vona. And I'm being honest with myself ka any analysis leyi ni endlaku, because an endless leswi one endlela mina ni ri wexe, ni endlela ngopfungopfu vaseketeri va YouTube channel Soka Chauke TV na varhandzi va music wa Xitsonga na vavengi va channel Soka Chauke TV na n'wina mi accommodator. Prince Rangani va ku humesa album aka vhiki leri ka rona sweswi. There are few things that I would like to comment about. Album ya Prince Rangani, to be honest with you, naloko ho resista kumbe yale na le, the album is not doing well on the ground. The album didn't do well on online streams. We speak of iTunes, we speak of YouTube, and any other online platforms. The album is not doing well. So question yo sungula i ku why album ya Prince Rangani? Remember, we're speaking of one of the biggest brands in Xitsonga music industry. Why is this album not doing well on the ground and on the sales? The reason why this album is not doing well, Prince Rangani doesn't socialize with his fan base. Prince Rangani angava check vaseketeri va yena, angava naki. You'll never even see Prince Rangani commenting on your post aka Facebook. That's number one. Number two, Prince Rangani appeara ka Facebook kumbe ka social media loko hi alata humesa album ntsena. If a humesa album Prince Rangani anyamalala uyavuya futhi next year. Okay, let me just give you an example. This year Prince Rangani uyimika rin'wana wa ku leho anga humesi anga vulavuli anga post anga vulavuli nchumu album and then out of sudden less than 3 weeks Prince Rangani now is talking about this album to say uta humesa album rin like less than 2 weeks 3 weeks now. I think ni kulengu less than 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Then savale album uta humesa blah blah. Okay, what do you say about Vosol Makamla baba album yabona like who said 2 months or 3 months being they are promoting their albums. Urini benima ngando a promote album 2 months before our mess. Urini iti qambi to jevo Oscar Makamu ba endla ku the way. Urini Ivo J John urini Ivo Black Myth no like. So there's nothing that comes for free. You must work hard so that you can enjoy the fruits of whatever that you have planted. So but then if Prince Rangani anga promote music wa yena or album ya yena, ivo mani va fanele ku va promote. Some people, when we tell them that yeah, album ya Prince Rangani mean and they will ask you Mirin. Why? Because they are not aware of this thing. So I think that's the reason why this album ingaru train kahle on the ground, ingaru train kahle aka online platforms. Album yona yoshe, there's nothing special about that album. Yoy kahle like Chachan, Prince Rangani is always the best. Chachan, but to be honest with you, album yakuta enjoy ku yingisela, but I'm certain faman me yingisela mi ta vuya ka hina mi ta vuya mi commenta la mi vula ku album ya mbhela kumbe njhani, but to be honest a ku na chumu ni nga xitwa mina ka ngoma liya ka album liya. Ivi ku na ngoma yin'wana nga feature Papa Rhulani, so yena nga ku feature Prince Rangani ka ngoma ya ko because yimbelwe hi Papa Rhulani za hela. So anyway, famani ma yingisela Prince Rangani the producer ka album ya wona ya 2025 aka lembe leriwani ngele ka rona na ka n'hweti leyiwani ngele ka yona kumbe xana ya kusuka ka yona October hi ndlela yo fana ni yaleyo.